Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyants? It's a fitting name for these vibrant birds, known for their stunning pink feathers and elegant poses. But here's the twist. They didn't just get this name randomly. Flamingos are social creatures, often seen gathering in large groups, and their flamboyant appearance certainly makes a statement. These birds get their pink color from the carotenoid pigments in the food they eat, like shrimp and algae. The more they consume, the pinker they become. So, next time you see a flamboyance of flamingos, remember that their name reflects not just their looks, but their lively social nature. It's a perfect blend of beauty and personality in the animal kingdom.